Hi guys, today we'll be doing an unboxing of a motherboard for a Samsung fully automatic washing machine. So our washing machine actually died, and I had the Samsung techs look at it and they said that it needed a motherboard replacement. So I looked around at Shopee and found this compatible motherboard for this particular or the particular washing machine model that we had. Later I'll be posting a video on how to install this, but right now let's go with the unboxing. So washing machine PCB board, doesn't say what brand, so it's probably basically like an universal type, because once I checked it on their site, it's compatible with several different types of boards that Samsung has. This one's particular one is a 297A6 button type and nothing more. Let's open it up. So here we have it. It looks a bit similar to the board that we have on the washing machine, but there are some subtle differences. So if you look up here, these are the board model numbers. So that must be a 297A. Okay, later I'll show you the board, or the original motherboard, but it has a different model number. So that's how you actually find what board you need to buy. You base it on the original board number that you have. So basically that's it. I will be trying to install this later, see if it works on the washing machine.